This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust your display screen sleep time in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To adjust your display screen sleep time in Windows 10, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right-click on it. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, you want to click on System. Then the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Power and Sleep and click on Power and Sleep. And on the center pane right up top here it says Screen. Now I am on a laptop, so it gives me two options for my screen, on battery power or when plugged in. If I wanted to change my on battery power screen sleep time, I would click the little drop down. You can choose between 1 minute all the way down to 4 or 5 hours, or never. If you wanted to turn off sleep altogether on your screen, you would click on never. And then I would do, being I'm on a laptop, I would do the same thing for my when plugged in. I can adjust that. And down below that is your device's sleep time. I'm on a laptop, so it gives me two different power modes for my sleep time for my device, on battery power and when plugged in. But that is how you adjust your screen sleep time in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.